Hi Scorpio. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. What are the messages that come out for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? Looks like we've got the first card, the Knight of Wands, Page of Cups, Eight of Cups, Page of Swords, Seven of Swords, Queen of Swords. Lot of sword energy. What is happening? Scorpio. Ten of Cups. And the card at the bottom of the deck is the Fool card. I guess the overall energy for this reading is that you want to take a plunge into something. Either you, Scorpio, or somebody in your life, somebody from your past or your future wants to offer you a new beginning. Now, this relationship or situationship that happened, it did not really benefit you in the past, or you did not prove to be worthy enough for somebody else's love, Scorpio. It could be anything because energies are fluid. This could be you or the other person that you're involved with. One of you was really hard on the other one. It could be the other person's energies. Yeah, I do see a new beginning in your life, Scorpio, and it has to be relating to love. Because, see, the card at the bottom of the deck here is Two of Cups. Now, this is something that I randomly picked out. You saw that I shuffled, so there's no way that this is rigged. But what I'm seeing is that you are torn between moving on and giving a relationship another chance. You want to communicate, but then you hold back. Probably you feel that this person won't communicate in an appropriate manner, or they will hurt you, or they will just, um, you know, uh, be really abrupt and however they were in the past. If it's not you, Scorpio, then the other person feels that if they try to communicate with you will just hurt them. And that is something that they don't want. And I'm pretty sure that's something that even you don't want. So one of you or both of you want to offer a new beginning to the other one and start afresh because you see that there is scope for this relationship, and whatever happened in the past, somebody's mother played an important role in their life, or now they feel, uh, you know, filled with this nurturing energy. You feel this way probably, or it's your partner. You guys could be involved with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I'm getting strong signs of Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius as well. Scorpio, you both see a future with each other, but there's something holding you back. What is it that is holding you back, Scorpio? Yeah, there is something that you both need to recover from. What happened in the past that has made you feel so torn between staying and moving on? I see a lot of communication coming in, and I feel this is a for love. It could be you making that move, Scorpio, because it's your season, and I feel you guys feel really empowered, and I feel you're gonna take this leap of faith, this like this Fool card. You're going to take a leap of faith and um, dive right into what you want and who you want to pursue. I don't know, I'm getting this strong feeling that this is somebody from your past. Could be an earth sign individual as well, or somebody who has strong earth energies in their chart. Could be a Libra person as well, Scorpio. Yeah, whoever tries to communicate with the other person, rest assured that it's going to be a peaceful resolution, Scorpio. Let's see some extra messages now. This was your tarot. Now let's see some oracle messages for you. Oh, wait, let's just pull out one more tarot from this deck. Just one card. Oh, do you see this? Lots of communication. I think dates 16, 8th. 8 has come like thrice. 8 is the number of transformation, Scorpio. So, yeah, lots of communication, past baggages leaving, and second chances, Scorpio, second chances. Look for a sign. Guys, see, these oracle cards may or may not be directly related to the tarot. So take them however they resonate with you, okay? These are just extra messages. Have faith in your dreams, Scorpio. A new start is coming, of course, because you've got so many pages, you've got so many communication cards, Scorpio. I'm pretty sure something beautiful new is beginning, and you guys are going to be on cloud nine after this. Light. See the light within yourself and everyone else, Scorpio. And the card at the bottom of the deck is very soon. Surprising that so many cards are pointing towards, a timeline, like very soon, a new start is coming. The World card with the Wheel of Fortune, sorry, with its turning times. A lot of cards to do with time, you know. It's a very interesting read, Scorpio. I hope it resonated with you because it's definitely made me feel really nice and positive. I'm a rising in Scorpio, and seeing such beautiful messages makes me feel great. I hope it does to you as well. And thank you for watching. Bye.